It is 6:19, another weather impact day for us, and boy, the Sierra really getting hit.
Yeah, they really are. We're waiting for some. I've only got 2 of the snow totals in so far. One of them about 7 inches at North Star, so that's good news. And we're certainly expecting a lot more as we get into the afternoon today. Now, this is a live look outside downtown Sacramento. Seeing certainly a lot of cloud cover right now. There are some showers in the area. The current temperature about 50 degrees. Doppler radar continuing to show those rain showers working their way eastward. Now in Sacramento proper, not much going on right now, at least not in the downtown area. But as you head down toward Elk Grove, that's where we are seeing some light to moderate rain. Also over toward Plymouth, Cameron Park, and over into the Placerville area. Heading up into Pollock Pines, that's where it's switching over to snow. And we're continuing to see snow showers both along 80 and 50. Futurecast. All right, so as we head through the rest of the morning, we're going to continue to see valley and foothills rain and then switching over to snow, like I said, around 3,000 feet. It's around 10:30, more of the same. We could certainly see some heavier rain in the Sonora area. Then as we get toward 3 o'clock, this is when we have the best chance to see some of those thunderstorms firing up. And again, notice still more snow in the Sierra. As we get towards 7, so this would be first pitch for the A's game, things starting to quiet down a little bit. The winds will also start to diminish. 11:30, still some snow in the Sierra, but it's starting to move a little bit further to the south. And as we get into Wednesday morning, dry. Now Wednesday afternoon, there is still a slight chance that we could see some snow showers in the Sierra, but again, valley, it will be dry for the rest of the week. How much more rain are we looking at? Potentially up to another 1/4 of an inch in the valley, up to an inch in the foothills. The Sierra certainly expecting to pick up quite a bit of snow today. In fact, could see 1 to 2 feet in some locations, including Donner Pass, Ebbets Pass, and Sonora Pass. Pollock Pines, 6 to 8 inches of snow. As far as the wind speeds go, the strongest winds expected early this afternoon, say around 3 o'clock. That's when we could see some gusts up to around 30, 35 miles per hour. After that, those winds start to diminish. Today's forecast high on this impact day, 60 degrees. That's it. Normal high 70, so about 10 degrees below normal there. Showers, possible thunderstorms, but we're expecting temperatures to climb above normal as we head toward the weekend with mid and upper 70s on tap.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's going to be nice.